Chamisa Chete Chete. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Chairperson. President Nelson Chamisa, the incoming President of the Republic of Zimbabwe. The leadership of the CCC present here. My chairperson of the multi-stakeholder forum, Comrade Mgomezulu. The chairperson of business, Eswatini, Comrade Mabuza. And most importantly, I want to greet you, the loving people of Zimbabwe, the members of the CCC. Forward to victory, forward. Forward to victory, forward. Forward to victory, forward. Comrades, I want to bring you solidarity and love for the people of Eswatini, who sent us here to come and assure you that you are not alone. We came here to strengthen you, that we know that your victories has been stolen in the past. It is not going to be stolen on the 23rd of August. Your well-deserved victory, we are going to get it on the 23rd. And you must all make sure that you get each and every Zimbabwean to go and vote for Nelson Chamisa. We want you to go and vote for a better Zimbabwe. We want you to go and vote for a better Africa. Because all of us want to see Zimbabwe in peace. We want the old Zimbabwe that used to supply food to all of us back. Mine here was not to give a long speech. Mine was to come and pledge our solidarity and support, to say to President Chamisa, we are looking forward to the 23rd of August. We have a date with the 23rd of August. The 23rd of August, we are building a new Zimbabwe and we are starting afresh. Amandla. Chamisa, Chamisa, oye. Chamisa, Chamisa, oye. Chamisa, Chamisa, oye. Thank you very much.
And yet again, as President of PUDEMO Mlungisi Makhanya has said, we are bringing the greetings of the people of Swaziland, Eswatini. And we are saying together with you, all the best to the President of CCC and the people of Zimbabwe. And we want to say to you, go out there and vote in numbers so that victory can be guaranteed on the 23rd of August. Because we believe that under the leadership of President Chamisa, a better Zimbabwe is on the horizon. We believe that under the leadership of the CCC, a better Zimbabwe is on the horizon. So we are calling on all of you, go in there and make a mark for President Chamisa. Amandla! Amandla! Thank you very much, comrades. All the best. We can't wait to celebrate a victory on the 23rd of August. All the best, comrades. Thank you very much.